This is the kind of projector that's built with a very clear purpose. It's not about being the smallest or the flashiest, it's about delivering strong, reliable performance every single time you turn it on, and that's exactly where it makes its mark. So if this is on your radar, chances are you're not just casually browsing, you're looking for something that can handle serious usage. Maybe it's for a dedicated home theater, maybe it's for a professional workspace, or maybe it's for a classroom where visibility and clarity are non-negotiable. One of the first things that stands out is the brightness output. 6000 lumens is a big deal because it completely changes how and where you can use a projector. You're not limited to a pitch-dark room anymore. You can keep lights on or deal with natural daylight and still get a clear, vibrant image that holds up really well. Then there's the resolution, which comes in at 1920 by 1200, and that extra vertical space compared to traditional 1080p actually improves the experience more than you'd expect, especially when you're dealing with document slides or anything text-heavy. It just feels more open and easier to read without constant scaling or adjustments. Image quality overall is sharp and consistent thanks to the DLP projection system. Details look clean, edges are well-defined, and motion stays smooth. So whether you're watching fast-paced content or presenting detailed visuals, everything remains easy to follow and visually balanced. The 20,000:1 contrast ratio also helps bring depth into the picture with darker blacks and brighter highlights, creating a more dynamic viewing experience. Where this projector really separates itself is the laser light source. This is designed for long-term use with up to 20,000 hours of lifespan, which means you can go years without worrying about replacements or maintenance interruptions. It's one of those features you don't fully appreciate until you've used traditional lamp-based projectors before. Setup flexibility is another strong point. You can install it in multiple ways, including ceiling mount, front projection, or rear projection, so it adapts easily to different room setups, whether it's a boardroom, lecture hall, or home entertainment space. Once it's installed, it delivers consistent performance without constant tweaking. Connectivity is simple and effective with HDMI and USB options, allowing you to hook up laptop streaming devices, gaming consoles, or media players without any hassle. Everything feels straightforward and user-friendly, which is exactly what you want in a professional-grade device. Another important factor here is reliability. This is designed to run for extended hours without performance drops. It handles long sessions with ease, which makes it a great choice for business and education environments where downtime just isn't an option. Now, this isn't built for portability, so if you need something compact to carry around frequently, this might not be the right fit. But if your priority is a powerful fixed installation projector that delivers brightness, clarity, and durability, then this becomes a very strong option. For home use, it creates a bright, immersive viewing experience, even on large screens. And for professional use, it ensures that your content is always clear, visible, and impactful regardless of the lighting conditions. At the end of the day, this is all about dependable performance. It focuses on getting the essentials right: brightness, clarity, and longevity without adding unnecessary complexity. And for many users, that's exactly what makes it worth considering. If you want to check current pricing or get more details, make sure to visit the link in the description below.